YouTube, my name is Andressa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review my favorite product ever. It's how I strain my hair. So right now it's wet and my hair is actually very curly. It's very wavy and I like to strain it, okay? So I bought this and it's honestly like a game changer. So I'm gonna show the before right now. This is the before. I think you can see it. So easy. It's literally like you get a Brazilian blowout, okay? So I'm gonna show you how I do my hair. So I part it in half. Always do it in half like this, and it literally takes me like 15 to 20 minutes. So it's so easy. I'm gonna move the camera like that. Okay, so I part my hair in half. And I'm gonna tie this half because I'm not gonna use it right now, of course. Okay, and then I start from the bottom. I'm literally obsessed with the product. It's literally like a game changer. Okay, so the bottom, I grab the bottom like that. You can grab like a big chunk, and my hair is, like I said, my hair is very curly. I tie this, and it has to be wet, of course. Like, you get the best results when like just do it right after you shower. You like dry your hair with a towel and you turn it up. And so I'm gonna do it without this first. So what you want to do is you want to kind of like pretend that you're gonna brush it and you like twist your hair in, okay? And then just pull down a little hard. When you get to the bottom, just start doing these motions like this, so that like I am so obsessed with this. It's literally like my dream, because before I used to blow dry my hair, and it like, because I have curly hair and I have a lot of hair, it just took me so long. So this is like, you guys are gonna see, like, the results are amazing. Brushing your hair. Looks so good. Okay. So you grab another part. Like, it literally took me 7 minutes to do half of my hair. Now I'm just gonna finish the other half, and then I'll show you the finished result. It's literally like a game changer. But it's so pretty, and I have this oil, Moroccan oil, that I use like just for the ends so they don't like get dry. But it's amazing product. Like, it's literally like the best thing that I own, like the best thing that I've ever purchased, because it makes my life so much easier. And my hair looks so good. So it's the Revlon Pro One Step. Like, I got mine at Target, so you can get this at Target. It's like $40, and you can literally just style your hair however you want, and it will still look gorgeous. So I am obsessed with it, guys. So obsessed with it. I have to do it all, and this is the back. So that was it for my video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will be back for more.